Hey, hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel named Learning to Learn. First of all, happy new year to all of you, and as well as happy Diwali. And I hope सबकी दिवाली अच्छी रही होगी. You must had a blast. That is what I'm expecting. And ये basically एक informative video है. काफ़ी बच्चों को नहीं पता होता. Many of the people or many of the students don't know what to do after JRF or NET examinations. So can I simply raise a question that how many of the people or how many of the people who are watching this video right now, you know what exactly to do after your NET completion or after your JRF completion? Most of your answers would be only two options. That is the first one, you can say applying for assistant professor post, and second one would be applying for PhD. But did you know there are other options as well which you can say pursue? You can go for public sector units and you can apply there. You can go for corporates, you can apply there as a research analyst. Yes, so there are a lot of opportunities after clearing your NET examinations or your JRF examinations that all the students are totally unaware of. So to make you aware with this new opportunities coming and with all these things, me and Shiva sir is basically an educator at Unacademy, and he has his own channel named Commerce Adda. He would be in the continuing of this video will tell you exactly how you guys are going to learn everything in a detailed manner. So let's continue.
So guys, in this workshop, we will be mainly guiding you towards the career opportunities that are available after the UGC NET or JRF qualification, and how we need to prepare the research synopsis or the research proposal for the PhD admission, and how we need to tackle the PhD interview in various universities and colleges for the PhD admission. And we are going to discuss what are the job opportunities that are available in the public sector undertakings with the UGC NET qualification or the JRF qualification, as well as how we need to prepare our curriculum vitae and resume for any type of interview, and various other skills and conceptual skills, knowledge skills, as well as technical skills that you require to learn to become an assistant professor. And what is the difference between assistant professor, associate, and professor? All these stuff we are going to discuss at Unacademy free platform 4 days workshop, which is starting from 19th of November to 22nd of November. This will be a dual session at 8 p.m. It will be there, guys. So do not lose this opportunity. Try to enroll for free. The link is given below. Just click on the link and click on the enroll button so that you will be getting a notification. Applications are very limited, guys. So grab the opportunity as early as possible. That is why try to enroll as early as possible and share it to your friends also. Thank you so much. We are excited to see you in the workshop, which is 4 days on 19th 8 p.m. Thank you. Bye bye.